Hello and welcome to another Paper Classroom 5-minute video. Today we're going to talk about single tier drying. This is a simple single tier dryer setup. These represent the drying cylinders. These are vacuum rolls. The dark dotted line there represents the dryer fabric, and the yellow line represents the paper. Single tier drying was brought in because as machines went faster and faster, the edges of the paper started to flap. So in order to try and eliminate that, they wanted the sheet to be fully supported by the dryer fabric at all times. And later on we'll look at something called slalom drive, but the slalom drive was a step towards single tier drying. So what's the advantages of single tier drying? First of all, the sheet is fully supported throughout all its run, so you eliminate these flapping edges problems. Improved ventilation. One of the things that you don't have in single tier dryers, you don't have pockets, you don't have enclosed volumes of air where all the moisture can go there, and you can create very high humidity which will inhibit the drying of the paper. So improved ventilation means better drying of the sheet. The sheet is, there are more cylinder contact area. If you look at the total area of the sheet in contact with the cylinder, it's higher for single tier drying systems than it is for double tier drying cylinders. And finally, higher speeds are possible. Because the sheet is fully supported and you totally eliminate the idea of flapping edges, then your machine can go potentially a lot faster. So just to compare single and double tier, this is a simple double tier system, and you can see there that the active restraint in double tier system is about 58%. You can also see here and there the pockets that will hold all that moist air and inhibit evaporation. And here we have a single tier drying system. The drying cylinders are closer, therefore the wrap is greater, so you have more contact area, so it's contacting for a longer time, so you'll get better heat transfer. You have no pockets, so you're not going to get that build-up of humidity. And here you have 84% active restraint. So the shrinkage profiles of double tier and single tier are also quite different, and I'll show you that in another video. Okay, so summary of what we've talked about in this section. With single tier drying cylinders, we have a fully supported sheet. That means no flapping edges, and the consequence of that is higher speeds. We've got good ventilation, we have no pockets. No pockets means we don't have to bother about pocket ventilation systems, and it means we'll get better evaporation from the sheet, so we'll get more rapid drying. There's a more active restraint with single tier drying systems, 58% for double, 84% for single. And finally, we do use vacuum rolls on this system. Oh, not finally. Sorry about that. The only negative thing about single tier drying systems is the fact that we dry two sides one by one. We don't dry alternatively, top side, bottom side, top side, bottom side. We usually dry the top side over one set and then the bottom side over another set. Okay, well, thank you for listening to this video, and please feel free to follow us on Twitter. And hopefully Gemma will take out the bit that I shouldn't have said.
That's fun.